It was so stressful. Oh, what's she doing? The missus is there. It's 9 o'clock at night. She's walking round in circles.
Can I debunk something for you?
Oh, good. What would you... Hello, my love. What would you like to debunk?
You know this 10,000 steps a day thing?
Yeah.
Everyone thinks... It's called like the 10,000 step pedometer, and it was made in Japan. So there was this marketing thing in like the 70s or 80s. And then people were taking marketing thing, and you fell for it.
No, Joel.
That was dead interesting.
Right. Next time you say, can I debunk you? Right, anytime you say that, I'll just say no, all right? How many steps you get a day?
Oh, barely. Knows it.
You just said it was part of a marketing scam.
It is, but I'd still like to know where I'm up to.
Right, take one off. Christina Milian is on Hits Radio Naughty's Breakfast Morning.
Everybody wanna get down when you hear the sound of the funky beat. 365 days a year, 24 a day, 7 days a week. Now when you're calling in your full